Okay, the four super language families are Niger Congo, Afro-Asiatic, Nilo-Saharan, and Khoisan. Look, the distribution is like this. Afro-Asiatic superfamily is the one in yellow. Nilo-Saharan is in black. Niger Congo is in brown, and Khoisan is this language. These are the four super language families. The four super language families. These four super language families compose all languages of Africa. In terms of speakers, these super language families are different from each other. For example, Niger Congo has largest speakers of African languages from Niger Congo language family, and Afro-Asiatic is the second biggest language, or in terms of speakers, it has the second largest speakers. The second largest speakers. Nilo-Saharan language, it's the third largest number of speakers are composed from Nilo-Saharan. The smallest amount of speakers are from Khoisan speakers. So when we talk about Nilo-Saharan speakers, the speakers are, most of the speakers are from the Central, Western, and Southern Africa. Nilo-Saharan. They are in the Central Africa, they are in the Western Africa, and in Southern Africa. So different languages are under this language. For example, Kiswahili, a language in Tanzania, in Kenya, it's Eastern Africa language. So this language is under Nilo-Saharan family. I mean, Niger Congo family. So it has between 300 and 400 million speakers. Niger Congo language families, 300 to 400 million speakers. 300 to 400 million speakers. The other thing, the other language is Afro-Asian. Afro-Asian language family, and this Afro-Asian language family, there are Semitic language. Like Amharic, Tigrinya, is Arabic. These all are Semitic language family. Gurage. You can find some terms in Gurage in Amharic too, right? So under Afro-Asiatic language, there are Semitic language, there are Cushitic language, Oromika, for example. Afan Oromo is a Cushitic language. Berber, Chadic, Omotic. These Omotic languages are being spoken here in Ethiopia, around the Omo Valley. So Semitic language and Afro-Asia, Omotic language, Cushitic language are the language families that are under Afro-Asiatic superfamily, which has the largest speakers. Do you understand me, students?
Yes.
Okay, excellent. Nilo-Saharan is divided into 7 subgroups or 7 families. As we have said, the subgroups under super language family are families. There are 7 subgroups. Yes, come on, you have something to say? 2 minutes. So, under this language family, most of them you don't know them even. Because they are not being spoken here in Ethiopia. The first one is Kanuri language. Kanuri. It's a language family. It's in the western part of Africa, in the northwestern part of Africa. Kanuri language. And also Songhai. is in the central part of Africa. Nubia is in the northeastern part of Africa, more of in the central Africa. They are more of in the central Africa. So Nilotic family, Luo, Dinka, Maasai. Maasai is the language being spoken in Kenya. So these languages are the languages which are found mostly in the central and northern parts of Africa. In the central and northern parts of Africa. So it's about 30 million speakers.
Okay. How can people know how many speakers speak the language? Yeah. Because
yeah, but there are native speakers. It's to know how many speakers are found in a given place. It's easy. In 10 years in our country, case for example, census is being conducted. Census means total counting of people. Total counting of people. This total counting of people or census it was being conducted in our country in different times. And among the questions, language. How many what language do you speak, or how many kind of question? There was a kind of question. So it's easy to count how many speakers are found in a given place, so that it's easy to know. For example, you have said that, and also it's estimation. It's not the exact number. We have said that about Niger Congo between 300 million and 400 million. But the census was being conducted, and also here in Addis Ababa, it's assumed that 90% of the people of Addis Ababa can speak Amharic, right?
Yeah.
The number of Addis Ababa people is known, right? So by calculating this, we can reach how many speakers of a given language are. You got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's not that much difficult. Kohisan language. Yes. Yeah. Look, in terms of, for example, let's talk the older situation. Chinese language, Mandarin. Mandarin has the largest speakers. The largest speakers. Its speakers are about 600 million. 600 million. 600 million. And English has more than 400 million.
That's it?
Yeah, that's English language.
600 million.
Mandarin is the Chinese language. The official language of China. But in terms of speed, which one do you think is being spread throughout the world? English. In our country case, Oromia may have the largest speakers. But at the Kottara, and also I don't want to conclude this. But in Ethiopia, Amharic is the most widely spoken language. In Oromia, for example, if you go, there are Amharic speakers. In Tigray, Amharic speakers. In Amhara region, Amharic speakers. Whereas Oromo language is being spoken widely in Oromia region, only in one part of the country. That's why the most widely and the largest speakers are the terms that we are supposed to use. Answered? Yeah. Okay. The fourth super language family of Africa is Khoisan. The Khoi and the San. It's being spoken in Kalahari Desert. In Kalahari, in the southern part of Africa, here. Kalahari, here. You may watch a movie entitled The Gods Must Be Crazy, right?
Yes.
In that movie, the language that the character is speaking is the Khoisan language. It's like Atel, right? Yeah? Atel. Yeah, it's like Atel. This means that it's like speaking with his throat, right? If you those who watch the movie, it's like that. So Africa is a diverse continent, and also with many languages. The Khoisan, the Nilo-Saharan, Afro-Asiatic, and the Niger Congo are the 4 super language families. Are you together, students?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.